Last method is going to check, are we always increasing on this hike? Is this a continually uphill trail that we're going up? So public boolean this time. So we're going to return true or false. And I'm going to call the method constant increase. So are we going uphill the entire time? So what I'm going to do is I want to loop through this array, always looking, is the next one bigger than the previous one? So we have a for loop here, and this is a little different. I'm going to start at 1, and then I'm going to go all the way to the end of the array, like we've done every time here, elevation.length, k++. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have an if statement. I'm going to check, is the elevation of the point we're looking at, which is 1 right now, is it bigger than the last one? Elevation k minus 1. So in this case, it would be saying, is step 1 greater than step 0? Is step 2 greater than step 1? So we're always checking if it's going up. And actually, I'm going to do nothing with that right now. There's going to be a blank if statement. Just the way my brain works right now. Now, if that doesn't work, so if the next step is not bigger than the previous step, then it's not increasing. So then what we do here, we say else, return false. Now remember, with a return statement, as soon as it hits the return, it's done. It won't even check anymore. So as soon as it sees that a step in front is smaller than the step behind, it won't even check anymore. It doesn't need to. Now if somehow it gets done with this whole for loop, that means everything is done. And we'd put return true here. Now the big question I usually get is, how come we don't put it right here inside that if statement? If we put it there, as soon as it hit return, it would be done. And that would only check if the first step is bigger than, if the second step is bigger than the first step. We wanted to check all of them. So that would return true. So now back to the driver class, let's call this. And the way we would do this, we'd another printout, because it's going to send back, it's going to return a value. The trail is only increasing. And then what we'll do here is we'll put hike 1 dot constant increase. So it's checking if it's increasing the entire time. So we'll run this. I'll make it small. Statistically, there's a very small chance that this would happen, but let's make it 3 points. And here we go. 81, 1, 3. So highest is 81, the lowest is 1. It's not increasing because from 81 to 1, it decreased. I'll try one more time. 3. Nope, didn't happen. You keep trying it, check it at home. Okay, have a good day.